Today I show you how to make the text larger on your Android phone, where you have the settings app or other apps where the text is pretty small. You can actually change this. You can make the text larger on your phone. You go into the settings on the phone, and in the settings you search for display here. Under the display settings page, you search for display size and text right here. And that's the settings page for the display size and text, and it shows you even a preview. So you have here a slider for font size, display size, bold text, and high contrast. The high contrast text will make the contrast with the background a little bit more, so this, you might want this. The bold text will make everything bold, so it's more easy to read, as you see how it changes when I enable it. And the most important setting here is the font size. When I change the font size, it increases the font size on the actual page I am here now. So this is the display size, I think is the actual window. Yeah, it even changes the icons on top there. So if I put them both somewhere a bit higher, something like this, I just want to show you that you can actually make the text a lot larger on your phone. So you see the battery percentage and the time much larger. And if I put it as bold, it's already, I think, too much. But these are the apps now, and the text is so big that it doesn't fit anymore to show through the apps, but the app grid stays the same. The number of rows and columns stays the same. Here, that's the quick settings menu. You can barely see anything there. This is because the text size is too large there and you can't really see it anymore. But in the apps now, you have the size that is larger. So if I show you now the settings app, everything is much larger. So if you want the text to be larger, this is how you do it. It might help you, it might not. This is especially useful. This is especially useful for note-taking apps where you can increase the font size like this, but some apps, they will have the setting for the display font to increase it. So if you want to increase the font size of one app, first look in the settings of that app and then try to change the settings for the whole phone. But this is a really easy way to see everything much easier. The text is much larger on the whole phone. Thanks for watching.